Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your ultimate stop for rugged rigs, wild off-roaders, and luxury motorhomes with muscle. If it's big, bold, and built for the road, you'll see it here. And today, we've got something straight out of your dream garage. The Mercedes 6x6 Sprinter camper van motorhome in a head-turning glossy yellow and white finish. With a rugged long body, a 6x6 wheel setup, and full-on luxury living packed inside, this machine doesn't just drive, it dominates. So grab your seat, because this adventure beast is about to steal the show. Let's roll. Exterior, front view. Feast your eyes on the front of this yellow and white road warrior, proudly standing tall at the official Mercedes showroom. The signature Mercedes-Benz logo glistens on the bold front grille, a symbol of precision, power, and prestige. The massive headlights, aerodynamic lines, and robust bumper give it a fierce yet refined presence. It's not just about looking good. This front end is built for off-roading, harsh weather, and open highways. From grille to ground, the 6x6 Mercedes Sprinter is screaming premium performance with an adventurous soul. Top side view. Now let's climb to the top. And here's where this camper truly shows its off-grid game. The rooftop is equipped with solar panels to keep your system's juice up no matter how remote you are. Right next to it, a sleek antenna ensures connectivity even in the wild. And yep, there's a low-profile rooftop AC unit to keep the temperature inside nice and chill. Whether you're deep in the desert or surrounded by snow, this van's top view is like a control tower on wheels. Smart, sleek, and 100% self-efficient. Backside view. Swinging around to the rear, functionality meets adventure. A full-size spare tire is locked in and ready for action, because real off-roaders know terrain can be unpredictable. Just below, a custom-mounted cycle carrier gives you the freedom to hit the trails anytime. The double rear doors are built tough, painted in vibrant yellow-white that continues the striking theme. Whether it's your gear, your bike, or just your dream destination, the back end of this motorhome is all about utility and rugged style. 5. Side view, 56 seconds. Check out the side profile, where the magic of mobile living truly unfolds. A fully retractable tent awning stretches out to create your personal patio wherever you park. Perfect for setting up chairs, grilling, or just soaking in the views. The body's long, sleek design blends form with function, making every inch of this camper useful. It's not just a ride, it's a rolling resort. With this awning out, you're turning every pit stop into a luxury outdoor lounge. Driving compartment. Now step into the cockpit. This is where command meets comfort. The driving compartment features two sleek LED displays, one for your navigation and media, and the other giving you a live rear camera view for precision parking. The leather-wrapped seats are plush and ergonomic, ideal for long drives or bumpy tracks. Add to that a panoramic windshield and intuitive dashboard controls, and you've got a driver's haven that feels like the helm of a luxury yacht on wheels. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit is your daytime lounge and nighttime sanctuary. The sofa is perfectly set for relaxing, chatting, or catching up on work. And when the sun goes down, it folds out into a comfy bed that's spacious enough for two. Soft LED lighting, neatly tucked storage compartments, and cushion materials make this a true comfort zone on the road. Whether it's a nap or Netflix, this setup is all about making you feel at home, wherever you park. Kitchen area. You can't have luxury on wheels without a great kitchen. The compact galley here includes a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep those road snacks fresh. With both upper and lower cabinets, you've got space for your cooking gear, dry food, and even a mini espresso machine if you're fancy. It's practical, sleek, and efficient, turning every meal into a memory and proving you can truly cook up comfort on the road. Washroom. Yep, this beauty even has a fully equipped washroom, and it's far from an afterthought. You've got a compact toilet, a folding sink, and a mini shower all cleverly tucked into a small but functional layout. There's a skylight above to let in natural light and a waterproof door to keep everything tidy. Hooks, towel shelves, and a clean, minimal design turn this small space into something truly impressive. Privacy and cleanliness, even in the middle of nowhere, that's a Mercedes difference. And that wraps our full tour of the Mercedes 6x6 Sprinter camper van motorhome, a brilliant blend of luxury, rugged power, and off-grid capability. Finish in a head-turning glossy yellow and white. This beast is designed to go anywhere in style and comfort. And the price? Just $177,000 for everything you've seen. Power, luxury, and freedom all rolled into one. Got questions or favorite features? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, you know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time on Jeep Mudmaster.